What happened?
The Easter Bunny read my mind.
Oh my gosh. Did you get Peeps?
Can I have one? Can I have
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. Oh, for breakfast?
Yeah. And I'll eat something else.
Hey, just a little bit, okay?
I'll just playing with my Reuben thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes it. I only slept 3 hours last night, okay?
Yeah, we'll take a little nap.
I think I'm gonna eat his ear.
Make sure and put those in packages. Put them in plastic. Did you get a water bottle, hon?
You're so. I heard a yo-yo.
Grandpa knows how to do a yo-yo.
Oh, I know these things. Daddy, can I have one of the Peeps?
Yeah.
Do you think it's good for my braces?
No. But you can have one. Hey, just brush really well, okay?